about the international system. Okay, the place values in international system. Okay, yesterday I told to you that what is an Indian system. An Indian system we have got, like once again briefly I explain to you what is an Indian system. Okay, with the help of this block diagram I will explain to you what is an Indian system and what is the difference between the international system. First of all, if we are going through the Indian system, then what we have got? We have got ones, we have got tens, we have got 100, then we have got 1000, then we have got 10,000. After 10,000, what we have got? Lakh. After the lakh, we have got, and lastly is we have got not million. So, in Indian system, what we have got? We have got crore. This block is representing an Indian system. Okay, beta. This is your Indian system. Okay. But what is the difference between the international system? How we are able to define the difference between international system? In international system, whenever we are trying to place the values of the digits, when we are placing the values of digits, then there is a little bit difference. That means what is the difference? Ones is remain ones, tens, then it will remain 100, that will be 1000, then will be a 10,000. But after that 10,000 there will be a change. We will be write like a 100,000. Okay, that will be the 100,000. After the 100,000 we will write million, and after the million we will write the 10 million. So that block which I am making here, that is defining the international system. This is considered to be the international system. Okay. So if you are comparing both the system, then you can find that in Indian system also we have got ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100 in international system. Like 1000, here we also got the 1000. Here we have got 10,000. Here we also got the 10,000. That means up to the 10,000, either we are taking a international system or we are taking the Indian system. Both are remain same. The bigger change will come from here. That means when we are taking lakh in Indian system, then there is 100,000. When we are taking million, then here in Indian system we are taking as 10 lakh. When we are taking crore in Indian system, then we are taking a 10 million in which international system. All you understand this? So from 10,000 the change is started. Okay, that means lakh, here is 100,000. 10 lakh, here is million. In crores, we have got the 10 millions. So this is the way by which we can easily differentiate the place values of Indian system as well as into the international system. All you understand this? Now how we are inserting the commas? Okay, we will understand that how we are inserting the commas in Indian system and in which we will say that in international system. Suppose I will take an example like if I am putting one number. Suppose I am writing this number. Okay. Now I want to insert the commas in Indian system and then after the international system. How we are able to insert this? Okay. So for that purpose, if we are choosing this, then how we are able to enter the commas in it in Indian system. First of all, when we are taking the Indian system, then we will start from right hand side. We will take from right hand side first 3 digits, put a comma. After that, we will take the 2 digits and put the comma. And again, we will put the 2 digits and take a comma. So these commas which I am inserting here is they are in Indian system. They are in Indian system. Now how we can do that into the international system? Now the number is same. Again I will write the same number. This is the same number, but this time I am inserting the commas in international system. How we will take the 3 paired digits. First, from right hand side, we will take the 3 paired digits. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, we are putting the comma. Then here is only 2 digits, then we are not required to put any commas here. So how we are able to put the commas here is, it is called the international system. That is going to be the international system. I hope you understand this. How these place values are comparable, and apart from that, if you are putting a commas in it, then it is also be comparable. Okay, in that way. Apart from that, if you are taking this position once, then how many zeros will be there? How many zeros will be there in ones? 1 0 is there. That means if we are counting a number, then 1 means we are counting a 1 0 is there. In tens we have got 2 zeros, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and that will be 8. In that way we are counting, but we are not counting. We are putting in zeros when we try to put in, then we have to be start from right hand side. Okay. How we are able to count? Suppose if I am putting 1 is here, then there will be no 0. Okay. If I am counting the 10, then I have to put one more 0 is here. That means 1, 10, 100. In 1 we have got no zeros. In 10 we have got 1 0. In 100 we have got how many zeros? Here we have got nothing. Here we have got 1. Here we have got 2. In 1000 we have got 3. 10,000 we have got how many zeros? 4. In lakh we have got 5. In 10 lakh we have got 9,000 we have got 7. Okay. So in Indian system, when we are talking about a 1 crore, that means there should be a 7 zeros. When there is a 10 lakh, there will be a 6 zeros after the number. In 5 zeros, if we are taking lakh, then there will be a 5 zeros. That is which I am mentioning you. That means these are the zeros. Okay. We are concerning about that how many zeros we are putting when we will say 1 lakh. There will be 5. When we will say 1 crore, then we will put 7 zeros. If you are taking the case of this international system, in international system, then once again we are not putting any zeros. How many zeros? Nothing. In 10 we are putting 1, 2, 3, 4. 100,000 again 5. In million 6. In 10 million 7. So there is also we are putting the zeros in international system. Is that clear? How many zeros? If I am saying to you 1 million, then it means there should be a 6 zeros. That means when we are saying a 1 million, there should be after a 1 number, there should be a 6-digit number is also there. Is that clear? When I am saying to you that 1 million, it means after suppose you are writing a 5, then there should be a 6-digit number is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 7 now. So that means after the 5, if we are putting any kind of number, suppose I am filling like this. Okay. So if you are counting 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, then it is million. 1, 10, 100, 1000, then 10,000 and it will become million. That means it will counted like this. And in millions, how we are inserting the commas after 3, then we have got again 3. So we have got how much? We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So if the 6 digits is included by any number, it means it will come into the position of 5. That will come into the million. Okay. Million में कितने zeros आते हैं? 6. Crores में आते हैं 7. So from that chart you can easily identify that. Is that clear? Okay, we will take one example, and according to the place value, we will write into the words. Okay, what we will do? We will write in words. Okay, suppose I am taking an example like 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Once again, I am taking that example. Now, in Indian system, we will define their place values and we will write in words. Okay. We will take in Indian system first. Okay. Now first of all we need to put the commas. आपको क्या करना है? Commas insert करने Indian system में. Indian system में commas कैसे put करते हैं? 1, 2, 3 digits. We put a comma. Then after 2 we will put a comma and we will put like this. Now I want to write the name of this number in words. So how I will write? According to their place value, I will write their names. That is 1, 10, 100, 1000, then 10,000. Okay? We have got lakh, 10 lakh, and we have got crore. So 9 is a single one. So we will start. How to write? 9. Comma is end here on crore. So 9 crore, फिर 87 lakh. That will come in lakh because it will include the 10 lakh. It will come 10 lakh, but it is not 10 lakh. It is 80 lakh plus 7 lakh. So how much we will write? It is 87 lakh. So we will write 87 lakh. Okay. Now we have got 9 crore 87 lakh 65,000. Why we are writing? Because it is end at the 1000. Okay. It is 65,000 and now it is in 100. 432. Okay, that is the naming we have given according to the Indian system. Now we can also write in the international system. Again we will write the same number and we are writing out the international system. How we are inserting the commas in it? That is your international system. Okay. Okay. Now, how we are able to insert the numbering? Insert the commas 3 in pair of 3 from right hand side. Then we are putting like this. Now we have not get any other 3 pairs, so we will leave this. Now how we will write the name? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay. We have got million and 10 million. So how we will write? It is not a 10 million, it is 90 million plus 8. So how we will write? That is 98 million. Okay, that will comma is closed, so it is 98 million. After that we have got 765. So how we will write? 765,000. Okay, so we will write 765,000 and after that what we have remained? 432. Okay, so we can write both the names in Indian system as well as in international system. What is the basic difference when how we are able to identify that a particular word, if the number is written in a word, then it is written in a Indian system or international system? That should be also identify that. How that can be recognizable to us? That can be easily recognized when we are using these words: crore, lakh. Okay, if we are including that words, that means that number is written in Indian system. And when we are writing the numbers like million, okay, like 65, 765, thousands, most of the time international system can be identified with the help of the million or billion, but mostly we are using it million. If it is written as million, that means it has been written in international system. Okay, if you are including the crore and lakh, it is Indian system. Then it is in million, then it is considered to be as an international system. Okay, all you understand that? Now we will move on to the exercise. Okay, so we will do the exercise.